I feel emotional health is very important.
Women are very hard on themselves.
We're in the day of social media, technology. Everything is so fast.
Don't lose hope, you create magic.
तो मैंने तो I make sure कि यार मैं तो अपने आप को टाइम देना है.
Even a good cry, let me tell you, is a damn good way to do.
There should be an hour which is only for me, and I think that's something I've learned from the previous generation. I've seen my mom that she is suffering from so many diseases because उन्होंने शायद एक टाइम पे अपने emotional health का ध्यान नहीं रखा. I feel emotional health is very important क्योंकि आपके जो emotions हैं वो कहीं ना कहीं when you scientifically और biologically understand your body, तो हर एक emotion का एक storage है किसी ना किसी organ में, किसी ना किसी जगह पर. अगर आप उसको क्लेंसिफाई नहीं करते हैं सही टाइम पे, क्रोनोलॉजिकली एक टाइम के बाद, क्रॉनिकली वो एक टाइम के बाद डिसीज बनना शुरू हो जाता है.
I think mental health is something that's just not given enough importance. The kind of society we live in today, even from, when I was growing up, life was way simpler. It isn't today. We're in the day of social media, technology. Everything is so fast. Nobody really pauses to actually identify their feelings, get in touch with it. It's like you pick up the carpet, ye kal dekhenge, procrastinating your feelings.
I just feel that look, it gets too overwhelming, and I think women are very hard on themselves.
I know it's a very passe comment, but be positive. I know it's very difficult in this kind of environment to be positive, be focused, don't lose hope. This is my personal experience. Do not lose hope, and then you don't lose hope, you create magic.
और women like my mom, उन्होंने कभी ध्यान नहीं दिया अपने ऊपर, जो कि हम उनको अब बोलते हैं. And now like she has a beautiful group. Now she is in her 50s. She's having a good time with her friends because mama make a friendship. पूरा का पूरा आपका सर्कल होना चाहिए चीज़ें समझने के लिए, जानने के लिए, क्योंकि वो जिस तरीके से चीज़ों को देखते हैं वो मेरे और उनके देखने में बहुत फ़र्क होगा. वो शायद उन्हीं का ही ग्रुप उनको बेटर तरीके से समझ पाएगा और मेरा ग्रुप मेरे चीज़ों को और बेटर तरीके से समझ पाएगा.
And I just hate to receive, And another thing I want to tell women, very important, that you've got kids, keep talking to them, keep talking. And never, ever, ever make your kids feel that they cannot come and tell you anything. Like, I don't think there's anything in the world that I don't want my kids to not come and tell me. Like, I need them, the good, the bad, I just want to give them my point of view. That, look, see, this I don't agree on. You did it, it's fine. I'm not going to be angry. There's no point in being angry, but there's a lot of pressure. There's a lot of pressure out there on women and kids.
And I think, it's actually quite dangerous because it does come out in other forms, in other parts of your life. It may come out in your child, it may come out in your husband, it may come out in your mom. But the thing about mental health is, if you don't talk about it, at least that's the way it is for me. I'm a person that I need to talk. If I don't talk and I don't express, either I cry. Even a good cry, let me tell you, is a damn good way to de-stress. Like for me, that's it. Have a good hearty cry and like, okay, now I'm done. Tissue ka dabba ho gaya, I've seen it, ho gaya, now it's out of my system.
I mean, to everyone, just try and be sane and try and be positive. And whenever you're speaking to anybody, just think that you are giving the same thing to the universe. So speak positive, always think that everything is going to happen for the best.
तो मैंने तो I make sure कि यार मैं तो अपने आप को टाइम देना है, and that 1 hour is only for me. And not only for the public figure, it is very important for everybody.